Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. We love books in my house. Thomas the Train is a classic. I really love how it puts so many different stories in one book. And they are pretty short, so you can read them in about 5 minutes. The pictures are really nice. My kids love the shapes and the different colors that they see. My daughter likes to point out the different trains that she knows. She loves to just flip through the book. My son, who is beginning to read, really loves this book too because it has challenging words, but not too challenging. So it really pushes him and tests him, but at the same time, it doesn't discourage him. And he loves Thomas the Train too, so that also helps. We have so much fun reading as a family. So if you're a mom that is limited on time but still wants to spend time with your kids and read them a quick story, this is definitely the book for you. If you're trying to teach your child how to read, this is also a really good book for that. It's really good for quality time, and it definitely brings back memories because Thomas, he's been around for a long time. So I love this book, so does my kids, and that's my point of view.